It's the unsung hero of the kitchen, humming quietly, bringing your cold leftovers back to life. The microwave. But have you wondered how it heats your food? Microwaves are electromagnetic waves, a type of energy similar to radio waves. When you start your microwave, this energy waves vibrate rapidly around 2.4 billion times per second. These waves penetrate your food, causing water molecules, sugars, and fats to shake up at an atomic level. This generates heat, evenly greeting every corner of your meal, warming up your dish, not the dish itself. A miraculous dance of atoms, all thanks to those intrepid little microwaves humming quietly inside that box in your kitchen.